We'll guide you through how to create a portfolio using Notion. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Notion on your desktop and log into your account. Start by creating a new page by clicking on the plus sign next to the Add a Page option in the sidebar. Name your page something like My Portfolio to keep it clear and organized. Now, you'll want to add a header image to give your portfolio a professional look. Click on the Add Cover button at the top and choose an image that represents your style or profession. Next, click on Add Icon to select an icon that will appear next to your page title. This could be a simple graphic or something personal. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll see the empty page space where you can start building your portfolio. Use the On Template command to bring up the template options. Look for a portfolio template or something similar to get a head start. This template will give you a basic structure with sections like About Me, projects, skills, and contact information. Click on it to apply the template to your page. Once the template is set, you can personalize each section. Click on the About Me section and edit it by adding a few sentences about your background, your goals, and any relevant experience you have. Next, go to the project section here. You can list your projects by adding subpages or links to external sites. To add a subpage, click on the Polios button and choose Page. Name it after your project and fill it with details like project goals, your role, and outcomes. For the skills section, you can use a simple table or list format to showcase your skills. Add a short description or proficiency level next to each skill if you want to provide more context. Finally, in the contact information section, make sure to include your email address, LinkedIn profile, and any other ways people can reach you. Once you're happy with your portfolio, you can share it by clicking on Share at the top right corner and adjusting the permissions to either public or specific people. This way you can send the link to potential employers or clients. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.